everyone, my name is Jeremy, and this video is going to explain to you one of the most anticipated features of HighLevel that I've been waiting for, and that is the ability to add floating text fields that can be filled out in your agreements and contracts. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so to get to contracts and documents, you need to go to payments and then go up here to documents and contracts. I'm actually going to go to templates here. I've created this test template already. And we're just going to go ahead and click on these three little dots and use template. Now when it pulls up, again, this is just a simple agreement. I added a text field, and that was just a drag and drop of the text field. I pasted in this content. Then I added a table just in case you ever need to do like two signatures. You can actually put two, client on one side, agency on the other. And we're going to go ahead and just grab and show you how you can add and edit these fields. So if you click in here, I'm going to make these a little bit further spaced out. But when you add element on the top left, you're going to see that there are now some extra items down here under fillable fields. So for instance, signature, we can drag signature over. We can now add a text field, and we can give it a placeholder. So we're going to type your name, and then we're going to do a date. We're going to drag a date field over. And notice that everything is resizable. So you can resize how big, how large they are. So if this is a large text field, you can spread that out if necessary. Same thing with your signature. You can adjust it to wherever you need it to be. The other cool thing is that you can use your keyboard to move these around. So if you hold the shift key, you can make minor adjustments to where this is located. And if you hold the shift and the control key, it moves in a larger. So this is control and shift. This is just simply shift. So you can put that exactly where you want it to show up. And that's it. You can save this now. And what's great is you can send this. Oh, we got to add a recipient. So right here for this signature, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and add a contact. Now I've just created a dummy contact in here. And what you can see here is now it has assigned these elements. Now this is ready to go. So I can save this document, and I'm going to send this, and I'm going to do it via link just so we can show you sort of how this works. Now when you do that, you can generate a link. If you had multiple signers in here, then it would actually generate multiple links for each signer so that it's unique. If we copy that, I'm going to open this in an incognito window and paste it in there. You can see how it comes across. It's got the name of the agreement, whatever it is, and it shows 0 of 3 fields completed. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling out. Notice what it does. It adds this little button here, which is great, shows you exactly what to do. So if we go ahead and sign that, I'm going to accept and sign. I'm going to go ahead and type in my name, and I'm going to go ahead and select the date. And now that everything's in there, I can hit finish. So that's great. This agreement is now complete, and I can download this just for my own records if I want to. Now here's the other cool thing. If we go back here to HighLevel, we're going to go back to the agreement section. You can also do this with PDF documents. So if we upload a PDF document, and what's going to happen is this is going to create basically the same, in this case, the same agreement because it's the same text, but this is just using a PDF that I've already created on my computer. So if you already have a PDF agreement contract that you use, you can certainly use that still. Process is exactly the same. You are going to take your signature block, you're going to go ahead and drag it where you want it. You're going to add whatever text fields that you want to place in there for the person to fill out. And then you're going to put your date. And then we are going to assign these to a recipient. Same exact thing, the only difference being that rather than using a document that you created within HighLevel, you're actually using a PDF document that you've already created elsewhere. And the process is still exactly the same, right? You send them the link, or you can send them an email, and HighLevel will send them an email. they're going to go ahead and fill out the agreement, and they can put in the date and finish it up. Really straightforward and easy to do. So the other thing that I wanted to show you is with the date field, you can actually decide what date format you want to use. So year, first, month, then day. If you want to do month, day, year, you can select whatever format you want for those dates whenever you are entering them. I hope that helps. One of the greatest features that HighLevel has added in the last 6 months or so, in my humble opinion.